So with the new HyperMesh, we can now convert this 1D beam into 3D solids or 2D cells using this inflate options. So firstly, this is 1D beam. This is basically a high section beam as you can see here. And I will display this 1D as 1D beams now. And now if I just want it, I can just go on here to inflate tool. This tool says 1D beam to 3D solid. Just click all this, and I have destination. Set the destination as current component. Just click this, and there you go. You have this solid. This solid as this beam. Similarly, uh, just let me undo this operation. Yeah. Similarly, if I want to convert this into a mid surface or mid surface with elements, I can go on here and go to this 2D cell mesh from 1D beams and just click all this, and then this surfaces only option, I will just uncheck this and just click this. So this elements have been created. You can see that these are the elements. Now let me undo this again. So suppose if there are some other beams like this beam. Now this is having a solid rod cross section, a circular cross section. So I can just convert it here again. This done. So instead of this, suppose I have a tube kind of beam, a hollow kind of beam. So here I can just go on here, and suppose I want to convert this to uh, surfaces only, it will do it. So yeah, there you go. So a mid surface has been created just like this. So this is a very good feature if you want to convert your 1D beams to, if you want to model more like into detail modeling of 2D and 3D from 1D. So we can use this tool as inflate. This is available in the new HyperMesh. Thank you. Have a great day.